Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Pixel Gun 3D game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Pixel Gun 3D on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, in order to optimize your graphics, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from this page, tap on the display icon where it says FPS, and now you can choose your display resolution, your frame rate for your game, as well as the anti-aliasing settings. Now you can start by using the highest setting available for anti-aliasing. You can also enable a chromatic aberration, and if you notice any screen tears within your gameplay, check the VSync box as well. Also check motion blur and bloom if you wish to enable them. After choosing the highest available option, you can go back and now play with your new settings. If you notice any performance issues with the settings that you have just made, then you can once again go back to the settings page, and from the graphic settings, try reducing anti-aliasing quality first. You can also try disabling bloom, and this will fix performance issues, and you can now run the game smoothly on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Pixel Gun 3D game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.